What time usually do you wake up?
I usually wake at 6:30 a.m. one weekdays, but I sleep in on the weekend.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I always have a quick breakfast. I generally eat toast and a glass of milk.
How do you get to school work?
I live close to the school, so I walk every day. I don't take the bus.
What do you do after school?
When I get home, I do my chores immediately. After that, I start my homework.
Where do you study work?
I study at Preparatoria 22 Unidad Juárez. Also, I study at home, usually in my room or in the living room when I have a lot of homework.
When do you have free time?
I usually have free time on Friday evening and all day Saturday.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m. because I need to be ready for the next day.
Who do you spend your free time with?
I always spend time with my family one Saturday sometime. I go out with my best friend one Friday.
Do at home.
I watch the dishes and I walk the dog every living.